Hi, my name is Candy from Tianjin, Lituo. Our factory was established at 2000 years. We have been in this field 20 years old. As a leader in this field, quality first, customer first, and service first, we always keep this as our spirit. Our main product is self-tapping screw and self-drilling screws. For example, drywall screws, T-bar screws, high hack self-drilling screw, pan hack self-drilling screw, and so on. Our main market is all over the world. We can only provide not only the pretty high quality products, but also OEM packing. Today, I will show you our workshop. Let's go. This is drywall head. This is a T-bar screw head. Here is one of our warehouse. Let's go. About the packing, we can provide you a small colorful box and also 25 kg per carton with pallet or not. Our main product is self-drilling screws and self-tapping screws. About self-tapping screws, we can provide drywall screws, T-bar screws, thrust head self-tapping screws, and pan head. Self-drilling screws, we can provide you high heads with bonded washer and a single EPDM washer. Countersunk head with ribs and thrust head also. About the surface treatment, we can provide you zinc plated, black phosphate, and any others.